Welcome to the Sureway English PTE Question of the Day. On this channel, you'll find a new PTE video every day. Practice makes a person perfect. After watching the video, go to our website, surewayenglish.com, and sign up for your free PTE course and other PTE resources. Let's start.
We are standing at the threshold of history begins in Mesopotamia. A new exhibition of almost 500 objects at the Louvre's outpost in the northern French town of Lens. Spanning 3,000 years of Mesopotamian history, an area that roughly corresponds with modern-day Iraq, it begins with the invention of writing, in the late 4th millennium BC, and ends in 331 BC, with Alexander the Great's conquest of Babylon. There are many fascinating historical artifacts as well as magnificent works of art, such as an alabaster statue, from around 2250 BC, of a seated official, wearing an elaborate fleece skirt, with a beard, shaved head, and stunning blue inlaid eyes of lapis lazuli. The first gallery marks Mesopotamia's rediscovery in the 19th century, when archaeologists began excavating in the Middle East. They were intent on discovering more about the late Assyrian and Babylonian empires of Mesopotamia, which, at that point, were chiefly remembered through references in the Bible and
Well done. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. All the best.